I did that again. I combined two viral niches and created a brand new niche that no one is talking about. South, if you missed my previous video about the brand new niche, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you exactly why this niche is going to be viral and how you can make thousands of dollars with this niche with YouTube automation. Before I go into details, I'm going to show you part of the video I created so that you can get a clear idea about what we are going to do.
At first, we thought it was a nuclear blast. Blinding light pierced through the clouds at 3 a.m., flooding every corner of the earth in golden, merciless brightness. I remember shielding my eyes, stumbling out of bed, thinking this was the end. But then the light didn't fade. It stayed, constant, burning, a second sun, just there, hanging in the sky like it had always belonged. They say it wasn't natural, some claim it was an experiment gone wrong.
What I basically did was take the what if niche and POV niche and combine them. We are going to show you different scenarios, such as what would happen if an asteroid hit Earth, or what would happen if all the bees suddenly disappeared from Earth in the eyes of a person, like a POV shot. We already know that this POV niche is currently going insanely viral, but the problem with that niche is it's only going to be trending for a period of time. That's why I combined this niche with the what if niche, which is an evergreen niche. Now, if you really want to go viral on YouTube with this brand new niche, you have to follow my exact steps. With this method, not only are your videos going to be viral, but this video can be easily monetized. So let's start the process. First, we need to come up with video ideas. If you are serious about this, you need to upload at least 4 videos a week, which means you will have 16 videos a month. That's a good amount. For this whole process, I'm going to use just one AI tool. You can do everything with this tool, from idea creation to script writing, voices, and visuals. This tool is called Galaxy AI. The reason why I'm using this tool is that you don't have to pay for several AI tools to make scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. This tool has it all. First, I'm going to go to this chat with the AI option, and I have created this specific prompt to generate video ideas for this niche. If you select this drop-down menu from the top, you can select any AI model. We have all the open AI models, Claude models, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and more. All you need to do is select the model you prefer. It's super easy. And guys, you can get all of these prompts from the description. With this, you can generate any number of video topics. Looks like we are getting some amazing topics for our videos. We have what if topics related to environmental and earth-based scenarios, scientific and human body focused, and more. These video ideas are enough at least for the next 2 months. Now it's time to make the script for this video. This video is not going to be an explainer style video. This is going to be from the perspective of a person. It should sound like this person is sharing his life experience because this has to be in point of view style. So, I created a prompt specifically to generate a script for this new niche. All you need to do is copy the prompt and replace this topic with yours. You can either read this script and add your own ideas as well, or you can directly use this script. If you are thinking about changing the script, make sure to remember that this script should be from the first-person perspective at all times. The next step is to generate AI voiceovers for this video. If you scroll down, you can see these AI tools such as voice cloning and text-to-speech. I'm not going to use this voice cloning option today. Let's go with text-to-speech. Now, you need to check these voices. Basically, you can search for the sort of voice you prefer. Based on your category and the tone of the video, you have to select a voice. Once you find a suitable voice for your videos, you just need to copy the script to this and generate voiceovers. You don't need to copy the whole script at once, just copy it part by part and complete the voiceovers part. Now let's move on to the hard part, which is creating visuals for this script. Now this AI tool has both text-to-video features and image-to-video features. If we use the text-to-video feature, it's going to be really difficult to generate POV shots from just a prompt. Therefore, I'm going to generate some images, and then I will convert them into videos. So let's go to this AI image generator. Now, I have used this AI chat to generate image prompts for these POV shots. As an example, the first image should be someone waking up and seeing 2 suns from the window. Once I give these details to this chat, it will generate a highly detailed prompt for that scene. As you can see here, we have several example prompts. Let's copy this one and go to the image generator. I'm going to paste the prompt to this. Now, we can select a suitable AI model for this generation. You have all the high-quality AI image models available here. You just need to select the best option for your images. I'm going to go with this one. Now let's select the 16:9 ratio as the aspect ratio for this image. I'm going to generate 4 images and then we can select the best one. After that, click his generate button. Now we have these high quality 4 images. You can check these images one by one and select the best one for your video. Now, I'm going to generate the next scene. Just like I did before I have generated this prompt. Now let's add it to here. This time, I'm going to use a different image generator. Only difference is that this model has this negative prompt option. Let's generate this. Now this is perfect, exactly as I expected. Just like this, you need to generate images for the whole script. Now let me show you how to convert these images to live videos. Let's select this AI video generator. Now here you can either convert text to video or images to video. Since we have already generated the images, let's select the images to video feature. Now you need to upload the image you want to convert here. And let's describe the prompt as well. You can simply describe the moments and the things that you want to happen in the video. Then you need to select an AI model for this generation. We have all the best video generating models like Kling Luma and VO2. You can select any model you prefer. You can set the duration as well. Then generate the video. It might take several minutes to finish the generation. These are several videos that have completed the process. These are absolutely amazing. Now just like this, you need to convert all the images to videos. Before going into the final editing, let me show you another cool feature. With this audio to video feature, you can add sound effects to the video so that you don't have to do it manually. What you need to do is upload the video clips you want and explain what sort of sound effect you want. As an example, I'm going to add something like walking on sand, bird sound from distance, wind sound from distance. Let's see the results. Wow, this is perfect. The sound effects are a perfect match for this video. Just like this, you can improve and add sound effects as well. Now let's move on to the editing part. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. You can use any video editor you prefer. Once you open your project, make sure to select this 16:9 aspect ratio. Then, you need to import all the voiceovers and video clips to this. Let's start with adding voiceovers to the timeline. After that, all you need to do is add the video clips to the suitable places. It's not that complicated. Now, I have added all the video clips to the timeline. As you can see here, I have matched the video clips with the script. You can do the same. Now, let's add some transitions between these clips. Go to the transitions from the top and add these transitions to the suitable places. It's not a complicated process. After adding transitions, we need to add captions for this video. So go to text from this top menu and select this auto caption feature. With this feature, you can automatically generate the captions. It will only take several seconds. Now, let's make these captions more visible by adding some effects. You can change the size of the caption using the menu, and I'm going to change the font as well. Now, if you scroll down, you can add some text effects. I'm not going to add some fancy effects for this video. A simple style like this would be better. After that, go to this animation and select this caption animation option. Now you can add some cool caption animations to these subtitles. Finally, you need to add the background music to the timeline and adjust the voice, and that's all. Let's take a look at the final video.
At first, we thought it was a nuclear blast. Blinding light pierced through the clouds at 3 a.m., flooding every corner of the earth in golden, merciless brightness. I remember shielding my eyes, stumbling out of bed, thinking this was the end. But then the light didn't fade. It stayed, constant, burning, a second sun, just there, hanging in the sky like it had always belonged. They say it wasn't natural, some claim it was an experiment gone wrong. Others whisper about alien technology. No one knew how it got here, but everyone knew one thing. Earth wasn't ready for 2 suns. The temperature climbed fast. By the second day, the asphalt outside melted into tar. Birds dropped mid-flight, their tiny bodies unable to handle the heat stroke. Our shadows split in 2, one from the old sun, one from the new. The trees curled in on themselves like they were trying to hide. It smelled like burning rubber and wilted grass, the kind of scent that sticks to your lungs. We couldn't go outside anymore, not without protective gear. The UV levels were off the charts. Skin would blister in minutes.
That's how you create videos for this brand new niche. Just like this, try to create at least 4 videos a week. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.